Hello, my name is Peter. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to talk about rabbits. And I have my wife, Josephine. You can say hi.
Hi.
Chantel. Okay, today we are going to talk about rabbit farming and the benefits of doing rabbitry. I have a rabbit with me here. It is 2 months old. But I'm going to show you the other rabbits that we have with us. Stay tuned. Boom. Chicks boom. Okay, welcome back. Sorry the videos are not good, but we can just use them kindly for the time being. Unataka kuongea hapa? Kusema nini?
Hello.
Unataka kusema hello? Haya, fanya hivi. Mwambie tuko pamoja.
Tuko pamoja.
Good. Haya, unataka kuongea? Ongea basi. Hakuna kitu naongea. Sawa. So we are going to talk about the benefits of rabbit keeping. With me here, I have a 2-month-old kit. It is a New Zealand white. They're the ones we keep. We also have New Zealand white crosses, the ones you saw in the video. They are good rabbits. We crossbreed them with other rabbits and they give good kits. Within 5 months they are mature and they can be able to be bred. Charlie, sema hi.
Hi.
Okay. The first reason you want to keep rabbits. Why do you want to keep rabbits? We live in Samburu where most people don't take rabbit meat. But we do take them and the family is very happy taking rabbits. In fact, Charlie loves rabbits so much and whenever she sees me slaughtering it, she's very happy. Their mom too loves rabbits and they used to keep rabbits back at their home. Now, we love this meat so much. It is white meat. It is very nutritious meat, which is rich in proteins, which is rich in... it has no cholesterol. It is good for people who have health problems, people who are not recommended to take red meat. They are advised to take this meat. I say that rabbit meat chicken meat and fish meat are the best meats you can ever have in your life. They're very nutritious. They have no side effects. They're very good for your health. Number 2 reason I keep these rabbits is because it's my hobby. I love it. It makes me feel happy. It keeps me occupied when the times I will be going out, maybe to drink, to socialize with friends who are going to lead me astray. I keep rabbits to make me occupied. It's my hobby. I love keeping animals so much. It's my hobby. It's my passion. It's something I love from my heart. Another reason you're gonna keep these rabbits because they are source of money. I sell 2 months old rabbits at 500 shillings here in Kenya, Samburu. I sell them at 500 shillings to children who want to keep rabbits, children who want to breed rabbits. I sell these rabbits to them. You see, I have 6 doors. I have 1 back, and I have other kits there. I've sold kits till I don't have more to sell, and the orders are there. People want them, but I don't have them. So I keep them. They give me a lot of money. I eat them. I started this thing last year October. I brought in 1 doe, and at the moment I have 14, 15, 16 rabbits with 6 breeding doors and 1 back, and the others are kids which I'm selling them over and over and over. My nephew Regan, he's not here, but he's out there playing. He loves rabbits, so he asked for a rabbit. That's why I'm keeping those kits you see there for him. But the others are being sold over and over. I have orders. People are booked for next month. They are taking their 6 weeks old rabbits, 1 month old rabbits at 500 shillings. They give me some little money. Then another reason you want to keep these rabbits is because of their droppings, their poop. Their poop is very good if you want to grow vegetables, you want to grow maize, beans, all that on your farm. Just take the poo, drop it on the farm. It's very nutritious, nitrogenous to your plants. It's urine. The urine of rabbits is a pesticide on the farm. I can say it's an acaricide, not a pesticide, but a acaricide. It kills all those weevils that usually are on your crops. It kills all the insects that might destroy your crops. So you just apply it as foliar. Another reason you are going to keep these rabbits is it's a source of employment for people who don't have any job. Source of employment. Yeah, it gives you a good job to do. You work. You have no work, but you just keep 2 or 3 of these, and then in 1 year you have hundreds of them. Hapana, wacha, don't. Wacha kupiga. Sawa. Haya, tuonane. Kwaheri. Fungua mwende. Mama amefunga. Good. Another reason you want to keep these things is because they multiply very fast. You begin with 1. I began with 1 in September. I would be having 50 plus in this month of June. But I have sold more than 20. I have eaten more than 20. I have given out more than 10. Just to give one. I still have more. So they multiply very fast. The gestation period is just 1 month. Not even 1 month. 28 days to 32 days, you have your kids. Mine give birth to 5, 6, 7 sometimes. But you see the New Zealand white. The thing is, where I got the mother of this kid they were inbreeding so much. They were getting a brother to a sister and inbreeding them. That's why they give small litter. But when you crossbreed them, that is what I've just begun. I have got another pure New Zealand back from somewhere, then I'm having my own does, so I'm crossbreeding them. When you crossbreed them, you get better yields. They start giving birth, they start kindling 7, 8. 8 is like average is 6. 8 is the most preferred size of litter. 8 kids. When they give birth to 8 kids, then that's okay, and that's what I'm aiming at. The back is of much importance. The back, ndume, the male rabbit, is of much importance. If it's a male that can only produce 6 litter, then it is the male. But if you get a male which can produce 10, even if the female, like the mother to this, is giving birth to 6, then I get a superior male which can give more semen. Then it's going to give birth to 8. So the back works. It's more of the back. It plays an important role in doing that. So those are some of the reasons why you keep these. I think the future of our meat is rabbit meat, because the meat is very good, and this is the future of the jobless people. Uko hapo hauna kazi, you're there, you don't have any job, kindly get 2 of these. I can supply to people in town, in Isiolo. I can supply to Meru, I can supply to Nanyuki, I can supply to Maralal, and all those other towns. You can get a rabbit and begin at 500 shillings each, and you can negotiate on that if you've really got the heart to do this. So thank you very much. I hope you will be happy to venture into this business. It's good. I have people who encourage me so much. I have Justin Rhodes from America. He's encouraging me so much with what he's doing. He's harvesting all meals from breakfast, lunch, supper from his farm, and I'm very happy with that. And now I have another Dexter's World. He's encouraging me so much from Philippines. He's having very many of these. He's having very many chickens like the ones you saw in my hatch. He's encouraging me so much. There are very many people who encourage me so much. I have the home range man, is Ian. He encouraged me so much, and I keep on working harder so that I can get this food sustainability. I cannot forget Moses Mutua of Rabbit Republic. He encouraged me so much. He makes me to feel that I can do this thing to the next level. I'm a teacher, but I love this so much, and the kids love me so much because of this. I give to the kids, my children that I teach at school. I give them, they keep them, and are very happy with that. So start keeping your rabbits. Free meat, free proteins, free cash, free job. Well,